Hello everyone. Today we will continue the trigonometric part. We were doing the formulas of trigonometry by using this figure. Now we will continue it. Tan theta, cot theta, sin theta, cosec theta, cos theta, sec theta. Now, so in the last video we were deriving the formulas from this figure. Now let's start our new formulas. Now if we multiply the opposite terms, then we will get another formula, that is sin theta multiplied by cosec theta. This will be equal to 1. In a similar manner, secant theta into cos theta, that will be also equal to 1. And tan theta multiplied by cot theta, this will be also equal to 1. Now, if we multiply these two, then our answer will be equal to this. Let us start. Now tan theta multiplied by cos theta, that will be equal to sin theta. Now how is it possible? Let us prove it. First of all, we had done the previous formula that sin theta upon cos theta was equal to tan theta. This we had done in the last video. So tan theta is sin theta upon cos theta. If we put this formula over here, that will be equal to sin theta upon cos theta multiplied by cos theta. After cancelling, we get the sin theta, which is equal to right hand side. Hence we prove the above. Now in a similar manner, we can prove it in this manner also. Pandit Badri Prasad har har bole, sona chandi tole. Now tan theta is P upon B. P upon B, and cos theta is B upon H multiplied by B upon H. So that will be equal to P upon H. Now sin theta is also equal to P upon H. That's why P upon H is equal to P upon H. So we prove this formula. In a similar manner, we can derive another formula, that is sin theta into cot theta is equal to cos theta. Sin theta into cot theta, that will be equal to cos theta. And cos theta into cosec theta is equal to cos theta into cosec theta, that was equal to cot theta. And cot theta into secant theta, cot theta into secant theta, that will be equal to cosec theta. Now cosec theta into tan theta, cosec theta into tan theta, that will be equal to secant theta. So these formulas, if you want to check these formulas that whether left hand side is equal to right hand side, we can use this. Also we can use the values of the previous formula, that is we can put the value of cosec theta which we had done in the previous video. So to know about these formulas, you can check the previous video also. So in this way we can derive so many formulas by using simply this figure. Now we can derive also learn some identities which will be helpful for solving our questions, like sin square theta plus cos square theta, that was equal to 1. So in a similar manner, secant square theta minus tan square theta, this is equal to 1, and similarly cosecant square theta minus cot square theta, this is also equal to 1. So these are some formulas. Now we will learn the trigonometric table. Sin theta is 0. First of all, we will write the numbers from 0 to 4. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we will divide all the numbers by 4. 0 by 4, 1 by 4, 2 by 4, 3 by 4, 4 by 4. Now divide each number. 0 by 4 will be 0, 1 by 4 remains same, 1 by 2, that will be 4 by 4 will be 1. Now taking under root each of them. Under root of 0 will be 0. Under root of 1 by 4 will be 1 by 2. Under root of 1 by root 2 will be, under root of 3 by 4 will be root 3 by 2. Under root of 1 will be 1. Now in this way we find the value of sin theta. Now cos theta. For cos theta we just move from the back side. 1 root 3 by 2, 1 by root 2, 1 by 2 and 0. Now these are the two values of sin theta and cos theta for the various angles. Now for calculating tan theta, we have the formula of tan theta, that is equal to sin theta upon cos theta. So by using this formula, we just dividing the two values of sin theta and cos theta at a various angle. 0 upon 1, we know that any number which is divided by 0 will be 0. So 0 degree. 1 by 2 under root 3 upon 2 will be 1 by root 3. 1 by root 2 divided by 1 by root 2, 1. Root 3 by 2 divided by 1 by 2, that will be root 3. 1 upon 0, not defined. So for calculating the values of cot theta, we just reciprocal the tan theta, because we know that cot theta is a reciprocal of tan theta. So just reciprocal the values. 0 means 1 upon 0, that is not defined. 1 upon root 3, that will be root 3. 1. Root 3 will be 1 upon root 3. Not defined will be 0. Now secant theta. Secant theta is a reciprocal of cos theta. So we just reciprocal the values of cos theta. So reciprocal 1 is 1. Reciprocal of root 3 upon 2 is 2 upon root 3. Reciprocal of 1 upon root 3 is root 2. Reciprocal of 1 by 2 is 2. Reciprocal of 0 is not defined. In a similar manner, cosecant theta is a reciprocal of sin theta. So cosecant theta is reciprocal of sin theta. 1 upon 0, not defined. 1 upon 2, 2. 1 upon root 2 is root 2. 2 upon root 3. Reciprocal of 1 is 1. So in this statement, if tan of 5 theta upon 2 is equal to root 3 and theta is acute, then find the value of 2 theta. Now the table which we had done will be useful in this statement. Now we had given that tan of 5 theta upon 2 is equal to root 3. Now what is the value of root 3 in case of tan theta? It was equal to tan of 60 degree. So tan of 5 theta upon 2 is equal to tan 60. Now just equating on both sides, we get 5 theta upon 2 is equal to 60 degree, and theta is equal to 60 degree multiplied by 2 upon 5. That will be 12 5 the 60. So theta is 24. Now here theta is acute. Then find the value of 2 theta. Now to find the value of 2 theta, we just multiply both sides with the value 2. So 24 into 2 is 48. So value of 2 theta will be 48. This is our answer. Now we had a statement, product of tan theta plus 2 and 2 tan theta plus 1 is equal to 5 tan theta plus 2 secant square theta. Now we will take the left hand side. Tan theta plus 2, 2 tan theta plus 1. Now multiply both the brackets. Tan theta into 2 tan theta, 2 tan square theta plus 4 tan theta plus tan theta plus 2, 2 tan square theta plus 5 tan theta plus 2. Now taking common 2 from these two terms, 2 tan square theta plus 1 plus 5 tan theta. Now we had already done a identity that secant square theta is equal to 1 plus tan square theta. So value of 1 plus tan square theta is secant square theta. So we will put that value 2 secant square theta plus 5 tan theta. So 5 tan theta plus 2 secant square theta. So hence left hand side is equal to right hand side.